Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today is going to be the day we are going to put up these sticky tiles.
Yay!
So, I'm not going to do it.
No, I'm too much of a perfectionist, so it's going to be a girl's job. Going to be doing smart tiles. After we got done de-winterizing our RV, we had a couple of blemishes happen inside. Our tape ended up ruining the side of our paneling, so we're doing a remodel. We love woody, but we just need some color. So we got these smart tiles. They're actually for RVs. They're flexible, so that way when you're going down the highway or any type of road, it will flex with the RV. Also, it is good for behind stoves. You do need to still have a distance between the two, but it is heat resistant. And we got these at Home Depot. So what we did is we opened up one already. We did a little test run to see what it would look like, to see how many you need. And as you can see, they line up. It's like piecing a puzzle together. And with our calculations, it will take about 3 for the bottom row. And then we'll do some up here. It's because of this curvature, and to cover some of this, I'm actually gonna measure out, cut it off here, so it's a nice straight line to about part way when it starts to curve. These extras that I'm cutting off, I'm going to paste them right here so they start filling in this little gap. Way it'll be a nice even flow. So bear with me as I try to get this all figured out. Okay, so as you can see, I made it fit along the rim of the window right here. And then I have these extra pieces that I can fill in for these little spots. And then I'll have some more pieces later on to make it coordinate with the colors inside. So bear with me as I start to peel and apply. Oh, and one more thing. I did wash down the panel prior to putting it on, just so it's a nice clean surface. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have one row all the way done. It fit perfectly except for that little spot right there for our 3 tiles. So we have an extra one, and we can now go to the next row. We will have to cut some of it off, and these extra ones will be used for this line spots right throughout here, and also for this area up here, and a couple of spots down here. So let's see how this goes. So we have done the backsplash for right behind oven and stove area. It really wasn't that hard to do. It's just mostly matching it up like a puzzle piece, cutting it to the right sizes. And the good thing is it was able to slide underneath, back underneath the hood. So it made it so you didn't see any of the crookedness if I didn't cut right. But so now the next spot, our next thing to do is to do the other side, and also take all these little pieces and do the little gaps that you see throughout and so forth. So let's get going. And we're finished! Yes! Oh, thank you. Thank you for the round of applause. Okay, thank you. So it took several hours to do. It is an afternoon project for sure. We also took a break. We got a little irritated and I needed a little break. Once you get all these little tiny pieces and around certain areas, it gets a little bit harder to do. So I did the easy part first, and then I used the cutter for little fine pieces, and just we went all the way up. We took this off to get behind here a little bit. So we used all the 8 sheets of tile for this lovely little area. Like I said, you can get it at Home Depot. Lowe's is another one, and you can also order it online, Smart Tiles. But yeah, it was nice and easy. It's adhesive, so I didn't have to use any other type of glue, no grout for no tiling or anything like that. Just peel off, stick on, matching up. And there you go, easy peasy. So just make sure you keep following us on Facebook.
Instagram, Twitter, Patreon.
Yes. Thank you, my lovely assistant in the back. So that's it for now. Bye-bye.